In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add social media icons on Elementor. In order to add that, you first need to head over to elementor.com and create your account by clicking onto this Get Started option right here, or log into your account by clicking onto this Login option. Now, we will host Elementor using our WordPress right here. So head over and click onto this Get Started right there in order to get started. Or you can also click onto this login if you do not have an account yet, or if you already have one, you can log in using this part. Now I've already have an account on both, so let me head over and show you in here the web page that I have created using our WordPress Elementor. In order to add those social media icons, you first need to click onto this plus icon right here in order to add elements. Click onto the search bar and search in here for social widgets. You can see in here the social icons. So locate wherein you want to put it right here. I'll just put it right there on the very far side. Let's drag and drop it right here. And then this will load, and as you can see, you can choose in here the social icons that you would want. For starters, we have Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. You can remove an item, and you can also add one. You can choose in here the name. For example, change in here the icon, as well as the link, as well as a name for that. You can also add another one if you would want. So in here, you can change in here the color, and if you want, you can change the link for those social icons. For example, let's change the link for our Facebook. Click on this right here. This will expand. You can change the color right here. As you can see right now, it's color blue, which is its official color. And if you want it to be partnered to your branding, which is on my case pink, let's choose in here the primary color and make it pink as well. Now it looks like this right now. Very good. Then just input right here the link that you wish to choose. So that's how you add social media icons in Elementor. I hope this video helped you out.